Hi everyone, in this video we are going to discuss how to write a Python code to find compound interest. The formula we use regarding to the compound interest is A is equal to P of 1 plus R by 100 all to the power of T, where A is an amount, P is a principal amount, R is rate of interest and T is the time span. This is the actual formula. But now we are going to find interest only, not the amount, where amount includes interest and principal amount. So if you want to get only interest, we need to subtract principal amount from this amount. That is the logic what we are going to implement here. See now, first we need to prompt the user to enter principal amount, interest rate and time. In Python, we use input method to receive the data from the user. By using input method, we need to write like this: input within the parenthesis and within the double quotes, prompt message. Here the prompt message is enter the principal amount. User will enter some value. Here one more important point is the return type of the input method is a string type. But here I want to store that value as a numerical value, float value. That's why we need to convert that string type to float type. For that we need to use float here. After converting that from string to float, that will be assigned to the variable principal amount. In the same way, input method, the prompt message is enter the interest rate. So user will enter some value at the runtime that will be converted into the float type and assigned to the variable rate. Next prompt message, enter the number of the years. User will enter some value converted into the integer because this is the time. So we need to convert into the integer type and assigning to the variable type. Now we have all three values. Let us substitute these values in the formula. The formula is A is equal to P of 1 plus R by 100 all to the power of n, right? So here how to write the formula in Python? See, amount assignment principal into, because principal of na here. So we need to write multiplication operator here. Now within the parenthesis, here we have two things, 1 plus R by 100 all to the power of T. Here we are using the method power, POW, power method. It has two arguments. First argument is base value, second argument is power. Okay. So here the meaning of this is 1 plus R by 100 all to the power of time. After that we will get amount, where amount includes principal amount and interest also. But now we want to get only compound interest. For that we need to use the formula amount minus principal amount. The final result will be stored in the compound interest CI. Then I want to print that. That's it. Execute this. It prompts the user like enter the principal amount. Let us enter 1000. Interest rate, let me enter 2. Enter the number of years. Let me enter 3. Press enter. Now see, compound interest is 61.20 and so on. That's it for today's session. If this video is useful to you, please subscribe the channel, share the videos, like the videos. Thank you.